into Crooked Common Law, a Canaan Bonaparte production on the Tobago Festivals Network.
The old people have a saying, they say, careful what you ask for. I never ask for trouble, but it just keep coming my way. After I look at baby Denise, I didn't know in my heart that my husband wasn't she father. And at the time, I was married. So it was only right that I tell the man is he daughter. The dead rest easy, they say. But that ain't common practice, especially when your death is a secret murder. You don't stop until you get justice.
Thanks for coming, Daddy. I appreciate it.
Don't worry, Dee.
Or I should call you Uncle too.
I is your father. Eh? And as long as I live, I will continue to be your father. You understand? Wait, but what's going on with you? Is days now I trying to get onto you and you answering my calls?
I know, Daddy, I know. But I needed space to process the madness. Nothing was making sense. And today, the doctor called me in just so.
And what I'm saying?
Nothing yet. I'm waiting. But after this, I'm going away for a little while. Plus, I don't want to be in the house with my uncle no more.
Yeah, well, you don't have to stay there at all. And what is your plan about the inheritance?
I don't want to think about that now.
Right. I understand. You know, I was thinking about what Cuthbert said. He seemed to know a lot about what is happening.
Yes, and to this day, you know he ain't shed a tear for Mommy.
Are you making it sound like he had tears to shed?
I don't think so. After the wake, I reach home only to see he digging through Mommy old papers and thing. He where to know?
Honestly, I feel he knows something. And Martha's death give him a good reason to play the fool. Wait. You collect the autopsy report? Where they say Martha dead from?
No, not yet. But I feel that is what they call me for. At any rate, Daddy, Mommy had hypertension, so...
No. Let me see what the autopsy say.
Hold on here, Mr. George, and the clerk will call you shortly. Miss Nurse, how are you?
Miss Nurse was my mother. I is just Denise. Somebody call and ask me to come in.
Well, let me check to see what that was about. Please, hold on right here.
Something ain't feeling right, you know. My spirit just heavy.
What you mean, Daddy?
I know what it is, you know. But something.
Daddy. I beg. No more drama, please. Mommy wouldn't stand for this.
Denise, a moment, please. You were called in this morning because the autopsy report raised a cause for concern.
What you mean, Doc? Mommy's still alive?
No. While Miss Nurse was hypertensive, the cause of death was not related to her pre-existing health condition. Rather, it was acute food poisoning.
I know something was wrong.
Wait. What do you mean by that, Doc?
Well, it means, Denise, that she was poisoned with food.
Jeez and ages. Is what Martha eat during the day?
Think. You and this bird breed. Think. Soup early in the morning. And that's it. No, wait. While we was in the yard, Uncle told her he was... Yes, oh Lord, Daddy! Uncle gave Mommy cocoa and steamed fish that he make and tell she don't share it with me because he make it with love.
Oh, well, he go see love today.
Is everything okay?
Yes, Doc, thank you.
Well, Denise, you know we have to pass this matter over to the...
All right, Doctor, thanks. Let me go. Thanks, Doc, yeah.
But Denise, Mr. Nurse, where are you going?
make a noise, check in the bedroom, and I go check in the back porch.
Look, Daddy, he not here. Else his shoes would have been in front. But look at this place. He dig up everything and just leave.
Where you feel he gone? You realize something though. Is he poison matter? And I, as an officer of the law, will have to turn him in.
Turn who in? Turn who in? I will
Cuthbert,
burn down this
Cuthbert, please.
and all I want.
Cuthbert, please. Cuthbert,
I won't do anything funny
breathe.
then.
Oh,
Chop shit.
please, no, boy. Oh, gosh. But, Cuthbert, please, no. Leave shout at this. This just between you and me. Leave shout. Come on, now, please. I'm begging you, Cuthbert.
Don't please me.
Cuthbert, leave shout at this now.
Martha, they deserve to dead. She was seeing her next man. After all I do for she. And when I asked you about it, she tried to make it seem like I was the problem. I say after all them years I spent pleasing that woman, that old woman. I ain't leaving here empty-handed, you know. I's a good person. I mean, cause I did warn she not to give the none of the food. Don't come close to me, you know. Come close to me, you know. Come here. Sharp she. Watch. Who is that? Who is that outside there?
He's not bleeding.
I think he did. I think he did. I think he did.
This episode was brought to you by the Tobago Festivals Commission Limited and sponsored by the Tobago House of Assembly.